Hello and welcome back to the channel. I'm Dr. T, a tech trainer and career coach, and I help professionals transition to tech by leveraging their existing skills and abilities. But today I'm coming to you to talk to you about another hat that I wear. If you've ever wondered what it actually looks like to work in AI governance, especially in a flexible, high impact role, today I'm pulling back the curtain and I'm walking you through a real day in the life of a fractional AI strategist. I'm the person that companies call on when they want to use AI responsibly, avoid risk, and stay ahead of new regulations without hiring a full time executive. I'm fractional in the sense that I'm not a full time employee, I'm a contractor with the organization, and while I'm not a full time employee, I do put forth a full time effort because I have a full time workload. So let's get into it. My day usually starts early around 7:30 a.m. and I am collecting the output from various AI tools that I rely on to give me the input so that I can have a quick scan of the AI landscape. So I'm checking global policy updates, new regulations, and any emerging risks that impact my clients. So this includes looking at updates regarding the EU's AI Act or NIST AI RMF, or the White House, or anything from sector specific regulators. So this just isn't about staying informed, it's more about spotting issues before they become problems because my clients rely on me to be proactive, not reactive. Around 9 or 9:30, I join governance stand-ups with my clients. So these are short focused meetings with product, data, and legal teams. And I rely on my background and experience in scaled agile and Scrum. I was previously certified in both of those domains, and I am able to jump in and participate in meetings, giving targeted, real experience, actionable details about work. So, here in this stand up, we may be reviewing new AI use cases, risk assessments that are in progress, and any ethical escalations from the previous day. So, my job here is to give fast, principled guidance. So we'll talk about things like, should this use case move forward? Does it need redesign? Should it be paused entirely? And as a fractional strategist, I'm there to give valued, clear information so that decision making can be targeted. Now, around 10, between 10 and 11, I block out time to have deep work. And so here I am updating responsible AI policies or drafting model cards or mapping clients' practices to frameworks. This is the part of the job where I blend my regulatory understanding, legal reasoning, instructional design, and technical understanding. So I'm translating complex requirements into workflows that real teams can actually follow. Just before lunch, I am taking a scan of my calendar and schedule and looking at what late afternoon meetings that I have so that I can focus and become centered around alignment, because I'll need to help leaders understand any ethical and regulatory implications of the outputs from all of the stand-up calls that happened early in the day. So I'm translating these findings into plain language so that the executives can understand what the risks are, what the impacts are, and what we should do about it. So I'm a trusted voice in the C-suite to give this kind of insight and information to help guide them on decision making regarding financial, hiring, or any other element of the operational landscape. Late afternoon, I shift into my system review mindset. So here I might be evaluating model outputs for bias or drift. I'll be checking data pipelines for privacy issues and reviewing any vendor tools for compliance gaps. So throughout the day, you see that I have not done any coding. I've been in a auditing, in a compliance mindset, and I'm asking hard questions. related to ethics, like, is this model fair? Is it transparent? Is it safe? And can we defend it to regulators, customers, and the general public? So this is where governance meets real world impact. Late afternoon, I may have those meetings with the executives. I may have meetings with product teams again, HR, customer success teams, and we're walking through any AI red flags that we've come across throughout the day, any bias mitigations that we have implemented or plan to implement, and any transparency practices so that we can make certain that the initiative or the project that we're working on is falling within the ethical and the responsible realm. As you can see from the actions that I begin early morning throughout the day, that ethics and AI ethics and AI compliance is just not about policy. It's really about a culture, and a culture that's built through education and information sharing. And that's what I love about it. The role is fractional. I support multiple organizations in a single day, so that means I am busy. I could be reviewing contracts, I could be recording videos that explain regulatory updates or responding to any ethical escalations. It's dynamic, it's fast-paced, and it's really incredibly rewarding. So that's a day in my life as a fractional AI strategist. It's a role that blends governance, risk management, policy development, and leadership. And so if you're exploring a career in AI governance or you want to transition into this kind of work, make sure you subscribe to the channel. I break down the skills, the frameworks, the pathways that will help you build a meaningful career in this space. And if you want to go deeper, check out our Introduction to AI Governance Bootcamp and Internship. Details and information will be found in the description. And we'll see you in the next video.